grocery haul. Let's see what my overspending brought us today. Now, my budget for the week was $35. I actually went over that by a little bit, by $7, give or take. But some of this stuff is going to last me more than 1 week, which is a good thing. Let's start over here. We've got yellow cornmeal for cornbread, corn cakes, and hasty pudding. We have oatmeal, which is pretty much going to be my breakfast every single day. Now this one's going to last the entire series, the entire experiment. Molasses, tried and true sweetener. 1 head of cabbage. This will last probably 3 weeks. I've got a few meals planned with that. This was expensive, but it was cheaper than raisins, and they didn't have any dried apples. This was about $5, so I'm using it sparingly as a treat. 2 parsnips. I despise parsnips, but root vegetables are the mainstay right now. Plenty of carrots. We also have diced ham for fidget pie, one of my favorites. Split peas for peas porridge. Pearl barley. This also will last me probably the entire month. Bacon, couple of rashers, plus I get the rendering off of this. Everybody knows bacon fat tastes better than lard. And I picked up the biggest chicken that I could find. This is going to be making stock for chicken stew. I already have some chicken broth in the refrigerator, and I'll have more. So this is exactly what $42.34 gets you on Sunday, November 2nd, 2025.